Had to start out with the giant hoop. For reference, I'm 6'4", so that is one big hoop. But here we go, unboxing this awesome Bernina 990. It's our big day. We've got that massive slide-on table. Woo! Got the little knee lift there and some books. Let's see. Woo! That warranty is pretty amazing. Gosh, we've got the... Ooh, check out that embroidery with the kitty and the butterfly. Woo! Can't wait to do that one. We've got our power cord. We've got some Mettler thread included. And, ooh, little bag of accessories, spool caps and whatnot. But, boy, here we go. I just got my first view of it, and can you tell I'm excited? All right, here's the dust cover. Very nice that they throw that in. That's a good one. Then we've got that thread stand. I love that about this. Gosh, and here's some feet. I was really excited to notice that they included the button sew-on foot. I've yet to try that one, so can't wait to give that one a go. But yeah, lots of feet included. Very, very cool. Here is the foot pedal. All right, let's see. Oh, the BSR foot. So it includes that awesome BSR foot, but it has BSR built in. We've got some bobbins and the buttonhole foot. But here's the big daddy. Woo! All right. Very exciting. Gosh, that 990. Can you tell I'm excited again? Gosh. All right, now we're going to unbox the embroidery unit. Woo! Gosh. Got some, that's a big template for that huge hoop and another hoop. We've got the high tension bobbin case, some threads, some stabilizers, and a dust cover even for the embroidery unit. Gosh, I am silly. Oh boy. All right, there it is. Gosh, that's awesome. I really love it. It looks really cool how they redesigned it. I like the handle built in. And boy, here's that hoop. Had to show you at the start. Oh boy. All right, getting to the luggage now. I love that they added the 360 spinning wheels. Gosh, that is so handy. Oh boy. We're getting modern here. Then here's the bag the machine goes in. And oh boy, I was a little surprised. We've got another little accessory case inside that big bag. Gosh. I do like it. Definitely, I gotta put all those accessories in there to make sure I don't, lose them around the store and whatnot. But check out that amazing spinning bag. And then I had to go grab the CEO and show him about all the excitement. I think he approves. All right, guys. Have a great day.